Yeah, hello amazing customers. We are working in Kasoa SCC. You understand me? So I came here the other day with the house owner and they shared with me a design that they want based on the granite stones, you see. So the picture that they showed to me is 4 by 10. And I said, okay, so that stone is available right now. So I took the measurement, I give them the quotation. Then give me like the money will be ready at 2 days time. The money come and they come to my place and I load the stones to their location. You understand me? So on the day of the installation, they change their mind. You understand me? Yeah. So the customer have changed his mind that he don't want the design that they show me for the beginning. They want my own design that I'm doing for a customer right now in Tema Committee 25. I'm trying to tell them everything that what they show for the beginning, like it's different than what I'm doing, and they say, oh no, I have to do everything to make the thing look like what I do for a customer in Convention 5 right now, you see. So that view they so that I supply to them. The stone is a how do you call 4 by 10 and some 4 by, so you have to cut the middle of every stones, every of them before laying it on the wall, you see. It's going to take all an time, but how you go do am? So sometimes if you really want my service, I beg you watch my videos and stamp on what you really want exactly, so that this will not be happy along the way, you see. This one like this, if I so make them make the money times 2, it's going to be 40 back, you understand me? This will waste an time all, you understand me? Like I don't want a job for look on this way. You tell me what you want, I deliver that thing to your location and we do the installation for you perfectly and beautifully. But if you came and change your mind on the way, maybe the thing will not look like how what you want to look, you understand me? So take your time and choose your design from us. When they come to your location, we do a perfect things for you. Don't think your mind on the way. So that will affect everything altogether, you understand me? This place now, the customer have already laid some tiles that is some gray and dirty white, something like that. So you need a stone to complement the tiles. You understand what I'm talking about? The customer need a stones to complement the tiles, you see. You see. So as I post my granite stone, you say, oh no, Steven, it be the granite stone that I want to cover my designs. You understand me? To cover my designs. So okay, boss, I'll do a nice way for you. We are here to doing the installation. You see right now. You see. Since the whole day, you see what my guy could do. The whole day. The whole day. You see that we are divide every stones, you see. We are divide every stones. This is going to take a lot of on a time here. A lot on a time. But how you go do am? Once you start, you start. I come in from that. Kobe ojúmọ́ sọ fọ́tò ẹ̀ ní ẹ̀yẹ jùmọ̀ níbi la. Ẹ̀ ó sùn yìí. So this be how the design going to be. It be small now, you understand me? because I'll be somebody that I want you to work on the customer their heart feeling. You see, this is going to take all on a day. Because if this one, if you be like this, like by the time you complete like 3 bus or 4 bus already. Long time. You see, but this one, the cost to make the money maybe times 2 or times, you understand me, but because this one, no, at the end of the day, no, the small machine can never cut the stone perfectly like the big machine. You see, that you have to, based on what you want, you direct your location, we do some amazing job for you. That you take your time and watch my videos and decide on what you really want. As you understand me. Because this one, if the store coming like 4x4 now, they don't go decide more than what they do right now. You understand me? Because big machine cutting can never be equal to small machine cutting that. You see? But you say it pay me because the way I like my job now, but at the end of the day, this to look some uniform we use way different altogether. You see that thing? So you're on our best and you're on the process, you see. You're on the process. So whatever it is, give us a call. On our service is available across the country. Bye bye. Bye. Bye bye.